Today we're going to talk a little bit about Evernote. Evernote is a wonderful application, and for those of you that are not using Evernote, you might want to give it a try just for storing information and things of that nature. But last night, I keep a journal here, and last night something happened and it automatically kind of erased the entire journal. As you can see, there's no text in here. I panicked a little bit. So today we're just going to go over a small video on how to restore a note that has been deleted. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. So to do that, you want to find the note itself. So wherever Evernote, however you get to that, I was going to show you, but I just searched for it for 2024, and this is what it came up with. To restore, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on more actions here, and you're going to go right here to note history. And here inside of note history, we can restore, as you can see here, we can restore the note history. So last night is when the problem occurred, which was the 19th. So you can see there's a lot of activity on the 19th. And we want to restore, we're just going to restore back to the 18th. So we're just going to click here. Now we can export the entire note, but we're just going to click restore. And it says here that it's been restored to your default notebook. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and close this out. And so not happy that it's gone to my default notebook because I don't know what that is, but we're going to go ahead and just go here and we're going to search for 2024 again and see what it comes up with. Okay, and so you can see here that it comes up with multiple areas, but again, this document is still not working correctly. But if you take a look, notice this one's bad, right? But if you take a look right here, let's see what it looks like. Notice this was updated yesterday, which is the 19th. This is today, the 18th. So we're going to just click on that. Now, if you notice here, we're going to open this up. Unfiled is my default location. And then now you can see that the note is has been restored. You can also see in here, so that's it. That's how you restore a note inside of Evernote. So if you ever need to do that, that's how you do it. Now I can just rename this, of course, at this point, and I can, whoops, and I just messed up again. There it is right there. All right, so I can rename this, and then I can go right here and move this back over to where I want. Now, in this case, I just want to put it in Dad right there, and I can move it over there. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and delete this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a right click on this guy, and I'm going to go ahead and move him to trash. Okay. Okay, it's in trash, and now I'm going to open this guy up, which has my data in it, and I'm going to move him over to that location. The reason why I wanted to delete it first, and there it is right there. If I click on there, there it is, and there is the file. So, and it's been restored. So we can go ahead and if we want to just kind of show that real quick. Now in this case, this happens to be an encrypted file, as you can see. So I'm going to reveal the encrypted content, and then it's going to ask me for my password. And then you can see the content has been restored.